Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illuminate Pages. Today we are exploring the remarkable life and investment philosophy of Warren Buffett as detailed in The Snowball, Warren Buffett and the Business of Life by Alice Potter. Let's dive into the 10 key lessons from this fascinating biography. Point 1. Early life and influences. Warren Buffett's early life was marked by a strong interest in business and investing. Influenced by his stockbroker father, and inspired by classic books like The Intelligent Investor, young Buffett developed a deep understanding of financial principles. Point 2. The power of compound interest. Warren Buffett understood the incredible power of compound interest from a young age. By consistently reinvesting his earnings, he allowed his wealth to grow exponentially over time. This principle of snowballing wealth is central to his investment philosophy, illustrating how small, steady gains can accumulate into significant fortune if given enough time and patience. Point 3. Value investing philosophy. Buffett's investment strategy is rooted in value investing, a philosophy he adopted from his mentor Benjamin Graham. This approach involves identifying and investing in undervalued companies with strong fundamentals instead of chasing market trends. Buffett focuses on the intrinsic value of businesses, seeking those with solid financial health, robust earnings potential, and durable competitive advantage. And 4. Importance of patience and discipline. Warren Buffett's success is largely attributed to his unwavering patience and disciplined approach to investing. Unlike many investors who make an impulsive decision based on a market fluctuations, Buffett waits for the right opportunities, often holding on to investments years or even decades. 5. The role of mentors and partnerships. Just like Benjamin Graham and partnership with figures like Charlie Munger have been crucial in Buffett's journey. They helped shape in investment, in philosophy, and businesses. Buffett's journey to becoming a successful investor was significantly influenced by his mentors and partnerships. Mentors like Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing, provided Buffett with the foundational principle of investing, emphasizing the importance of analyzing a company's intrinsic value. 6. Investing in quality companies. Buffett emphasizes the importance of investing in a higher quality companies with strong competitive advantages. He looks for a businesses with solid fundamentals, enduring brands, and reliable management. Investment in iconic brands like Coca-Cola, Apple, and American Express showcase this strategy. 7. Long-term perspective. Warren Buffett's investment strategy centers as a long-term view. He believes in buying quality stock and holding on to them for decades. This approach allows investment to appreciate in a value and benefit from compound growth. 8. Frugality and simple living. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett is known for his frugal lifestyle. He lives in the same house he bought in the 1950s and drives a modest car, emphasizing the importance of living within one's means. 9. Philanthropy and giving back. Later in life, Buffett pledged to give away the majority of his wealth through philanthropic efforts. His partnership with the Bill Melinda Gates Foundation highlights his commitment to making positive impact. Point 10. Legacy and lessons for future generations. Buffett's legacy is not just his wealth, but the timeless lessons he imparts to future generations. His principle of value investing, patience, and disciplined living continue to inspire investors worldwide. And there you have it, 10 key lessons from the Snowball, Warren Buffett and Business of Life. Warren Buffett's journey is a testament to the power of patience, discipline, and strategic investing. Thanks for watching us today on your Illuminate Pages. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, happy investing. Signing off, Maheshwari.